Hi friends, welcome to Technical Spotlight. So today we have brought you a wonderful app named Swiftkey Keyboard. So let's start. But before we hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get on new updates and notifications. The Swiftkey features are you can type any emoji with fun predictions, type one-handed with Swiftkey flow, type your way with personal predictions, type faster with smarter autocorrect, type bilingual from one language to another. So let's download and check. So our app is downloading. This Swift keyboard is a wonderful app. As you know, we are making it on very late. So let's check how the app is. So as you can see, our app is downloaded. So let's open. If you want, you can register. So as you can see, we have set up our Swift key. So let's check the first feature as we selected themes. So design your theme. If you want to design your theme, Swiftkey would like to assess your photos and it will and allow and the first photo our our first photo which is of Gangster Vegas. So as you can see our Assassin's Creed photo. You can drag an image or pinch, zoom and rotate it also. So as I have corrected my size, I will choose next. We can select the auto background brightness, pop-up color and the background color too. So choose the settings and click on save. So as you can see, we have predicted our keyboard. So let's try it once. So let's check the one-handed writing. Oh wow, it's really great. I'm having some trouble. So our next feature is emojis. So as you can see, all the emojis have came. It's basically the WhatsApp emojis and some GIFs are also available. So as you can see, oh, these are so funny. Some Swiftkey themes are also available here, such as the Nickel X, as you can see, and in Oxygen Red, Oxygen Purple, Pink, Cox Black, and too many colors. So select one of them as we selected the bubble gum. So now let's check. As you can see, we just now use the auto key filter.